first of all, we are going to draw three animals today. Okay, we will be drawing a giraffe, we will be drawing a monkey, and we will be drawing a lion. Do you guys want to learn how to draw it? How to doodle it? Let's start. So I have my drawing sheet ready with me. Are you guys ready with your drawing sheet? And a pencil? Okay. So, first of all, we are only going to make some basic shapes and not the animals, okay? First, we will draw a monkey. Okay. So here we drew the sleeping ovals. Okay, now what we will do is we will make a big one like this. Make a big oval, and then on top of the oval, from here, we will make a semicircle, a big semicircle like this. Now we will make his ears. This is his face, and now we will make his ears. We will again make two semicircles like this. Like this. This is his ear, and we will make this shape like this. Just half U, not the full U, just half U, okay? And then again in half U like this. So now we will make his eyes. To make his eyes, we will make a small circle here and a small circle here. And we can make his eyeballs by making a small dot inside. And then we will make his nose. His nose is again a sleeping oval. We will make a very small sleeping oval like this. And this will be his nose. So we will make his mouth like this. And the face of the monkey is complete. So to make his body, we will make a big U shape from here. And another U shape inside it. Now we will draw his hands. So to draw his hands, we will make a big smile like this, and then another one, and join them like this. And then we can make his fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on the other side, we will make hand like this and join this part, and then make fingers again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we will draw his legs. So for legs also, we will draw like this. 1 and 2. On the other side also 1 and 2. And join this, and we will make his feet. So to make his feet, first make a line like this and a small C. First make a line and then a small C, reverse C, and then make his toes. I'm just making 3 toes like this. I'll show you again. On the other side, we will make a line. We will make a C, and we will make his toes. 1, 2, and 3, and join this here. And our monkey is done. For making a tail, we will be making a tail here on this side. Okay. Now make a line like this, like a big C, and then again make a big C like this, and then join it. And we have his tail. That I'm also doing a doodling course, and I'm putting the link. So I'm putting the link in the chat box, and if you want to join that course, you can join it. We will be learning so many things like this only in that course: fruits, vegetables, more animals, birds, like that. Okay. And now we can color this later on. First we will draw the next animals also. Now we will draw a giraffe. So we will start from here. We will make his face, and to make his face again, just like we did in the monkey, we will make a big sleeping oval. Then we will make a U, but it will be an upside down U. And then we will make his eyes, two small circles, and we can fill shading. We will fill them in with pencil only like this. And then we will make his ears. So to make his ears, we will make a shape like this, a curved line, and then another curved line like this. And on this side also, we'll make a curved line, and then another curved line. And we will also, a giraffe also has something like this. Make two lines, straight lines, and then make a oval like this. Then we will make his nose. For the giraffe, we will make his nostrils. So we will make two small dots like this. And then we will make his mouth again with a smile. A small smile like this. Now we will make his neck. So to make his neck, we will make slanting lines. We will go and make a big slanting line. Now we have his neck. Now we will make his body. So to make his body, we will make a big sleeping oval. Starting from here, very big sleeping oval. Like this. And then we will make his legs. So to make his legs, we will make a rectangle. And on this side also, a rectangle. We can make a rectangle from here, but a little smaller one. Just a straight line and then a sleeping line. And on the other side also, make a straight line and then a sleeping line. First, let's start with his face. Make a small semicircle here. And then a small semicircle here. Now we will make a semicircle in his neck. And then here. And then again here. 3 semicircles in his neck, and then we will make in his body. So in his body we will make a full circle like this, and then here, and then 3 circles in his body, and we will make big semicircles like this. We are just adding some details to the giraffe and in his legs also. So for legs, first make a line here and here, and in the other leg also make a line like this. And then make small semicircles like this. Now we will make his tail also. So to make his tail, a giraffe has very small tail. So we will just make a line like this, and then like this, and we will make like a drop, a raindrop. Okay, so we will color in this later. Now we will draw the lion. First, we will make a circle. Make a C, and then again make a C, but it should be reversed. Then we will make his eyes. To make his eyes, we will just make 2 small dots. And then we will make a triangle. And to make his smile, we will make a smile from here first, on the left side, and then on the right side. We will make his ears. To make his ears, so again we will make a U shape and another one. On this side also we will make a U shape and another U inside it. And now we will make his hair. like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And after this, we will make his full hairs. Okay, a lion has a lot of hair, right, on his face. So what we will do is we will make um, a line like this, and we will again continue this and make it till here. And then again on the other side, we will do it similarly. The first, it's like a heart or a big raindrop. And then we will make his body. So again, we will make a big oval, but only half of it. Okay, so we'll start from here till here. Then we will make his legs. So again, make a rectangle, only 2 lines, and then make his feet by making 2 slanting lines. And we can make his toes, 3 or 4 toes like this. And then on the other side also we will make 2 standing lines, then slanting line, and then his toes. And we will also draw this. Now we will make a standing line like this, just a half, like till here only, and then again make toes, only till here. And on the other side also make a standing line, slanting line, and toes. Very good. Oh, Navya has also made his crown. Now we will make his tail in the similar way as we made of a giraffe. First make 2 lines like this, and then a drop like this, and your animal is ready. Now if you have a black sketch pen, you can outline it and then we can color it. So in giraffe and lion, you can use yellow and brown colors, and for the monkey again you can use brown color and a skin color. We will take brown color and we will fill in all these details. Like this. So in circle, we always color in a circular motion. I'll show with brush pens also. And in this portion also we'll do brown. And his tail. You can use crayons, oil pastels, brush pens, anything that you have. Now we will take yellow color. This I created for Diwali last year. And this is an Olaf. Have you guys watched Frozen? Do you know him? And then we have flowers. Here's a small cup of tea. And then we have a pear. And you guys know what this is? It's a donut. So we'll be learning to make all of these things in the doodling course. This is a mandala, but you guys are very small to understand how to make this, and today's work is here. Okay, so again we will be needing a yellow and a brown color. We will color his face yellow, but not his nose. His nose will be black, like this. And then we will take our brown color and color in his hair. And in his tail we will do brown, and in rest of his body we'll do yellow. And our lion is done. Here's our monkey. Here's our giraffe. And this is our lion. So we will be needing a brown color and a skin color. Or you can use a brown and yellow also. So we will color with skin color here. And like this we will color the monkey. Then again skin color here. And in his feet and his hands. And rest will be brown. Okay, so this is monkey, this is giraffe, and this is the lion. Okay, so now I'll end the meeting. I hope you had fun.